Increase your affiliate marketing success with these easy tips. If you are feeling like you want to start making extra money and start producing a source of income for yourself, then affiliate marketing is what you want to get into. This video can help you get started with getting into affiliate marketing, as it has plenty of tips you can use towards success. Know the tracking processes that your affiliates use to track visitors from your website to theirs and on to successful sales. Make sure that these tracking procedures are robust and cover sales that get made offline. Inadequate customer tracking can cost you money in commissions that your affiliates rightly owe you for the sales that you generate. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. A great tip for participating in affiliate marketing is to write reviews. If customers do not see reviews about products, they will not know your thoughts about these products. As a result, they will not be as likely to purchase the products. Write reviews on your site, as well as in videos and newsletters. Hopefully, with the information you just learned, you can start thinking of strategies you want to use for success. When it comes to affiliate marketing, remember that the more you know, the more potential for success you have. So try your best to expand your knowledge, and apply it as much as you can. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.